Tliet ta' diskussjoni fil-Women's Forum intemmu t-Tlieta filgħaxija. Dan il-forum sar għall-ewwel darba u dawk li pparteċipaw fih tkellmu b'sodisfazzjon mhux biss dwar l-andament tal-forum, iżda wkoll dwar it-temi diskussa. Il-parteċipanti minn pajjiżi differenti kellhom iċ-ċans jitkellmu dwar l-esperjenzi tagħhom u l-esperjenza Maltija kienet fost dawk illi spikkaw.
Fost affarijiet semmejna aħna li llum il-ġurnata introduċejna ċajt kerb xejn u dik għenet biex anka l-ekonomija tagħna mxiet il-qudiem. Allura huma issues li forsi prassi li pajjiżi oħra barranin jistgħu jimxu fuqhom jew anke huma dajat li jistgħu huma jagħtu lilna.
L-ewwel niżgħu privileġġjata li ktibna l-istorja b'dan il-forum. Meta tiltaqa' ma' ħafna diversità ta' kulturi, diversità ta' mħuħ li forsi l-prijoritajiet tagħna huma mod u l-prijoritajiet tagħhom huma mod ieħor.
Ma' One News tkellmu żewġ parteċipanti barranin dwar l-esperjenza pożittiva li ħadu minn dan il-forum.
I have a tremendous amount of respect for the government of Malta, their commitment to this issue, and the way in which their women entrepreneurs and their women leaders have projected themselves and taken a leadership role in hosting this event.
We have 53 nations represented here, and women who are so diverse in terms of religion, race, culture, ethnicity across the Commonwealth, and then the ages of the women, older women, younger generation, coming together and saying, how can we advance the needs of women? It's been amazing.
Matul il-Women's Forum, il-President ta' Malta, Marie-Louise Preka, ippremjat lil Valerie Grant mill-Ġamajka bl-unur ta' Women in Business and Entrepreneur. Ma' One News tkellmet dwar il-bżonn li iżjed nisa jimbuttaw lilhom infushom foqsma meqjusa li huma territorju tal-irġiel.
I'm very honored and I'm also humbled. This award reinforces that as a company, my team and I, we're doing something right. And it tells us that we need to continue to be disruptive. We're in the science and technology space, and so it's not often that you find females in that space, and so we want to continue to really push the boundaries.